got more wood chips? Where are the wood chips? Let's get some more wood chips. Water's so warm.
It helps with the smoke. Quick smoking.
Flavour. Get it close, quick.
Shut the lid.
I think our speed is actually really helping the crowd. So our speed is really helping the queue.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Cool. 2 and 2.
Okay, guys.
They're all there, chef.
Push in. One of each. 4, please. Coriander. Two barbecue, please, Dane. Two hot, one barbecue, yeah?
Two. One.
Three hot, 3 barbecue, please.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
What are you stealing now? What is that? Huh? What is that?
In there or just
In here. But wow, this water is so hot. How do we get this water so hot? I do the barbecue. Stand back. Stand back. Stand back.
Yeah, nice.
That water is so hot. That soap's amazing. Don't. Why? What are we doing? Wait. Yeah. Scared. Dane, if you're scared, mate, all you got to do is tap out. You got to say broken arrow. Whose are those beers? Chef. Tiny Rebel on the way back.
Yeah, and a tiny rebel. That's your job when you go.
Yes, chef. I get that on the go.
5 and 5. 5 and 5, chef.
Get that on the way. What have you got in there? Shitloads.
Huh?
You got shitloads in there.
Yeah, right now, chef.
We're going down a little bit on get this going. So make sure you keep that topped up.
Yeah, I look.
Yeah, all right. Get some. Give that a couple of minutes, then get some.
Do that, yeah.
Just keep both of them going, yeah.
Yeah, but
Ellen doesn't drink beer, does she?
huh?
She doesn't drink beer.
What's that for?
For the people on the bar. Trade. Oh, it's
No garner.
what is it?
No garner. It'd be good with a blue cheese sauce, wouldn't it? Yeah, I like the fact that it's a pure hot wing now.
Yeah, I reckon it's good like this. Not the hate.
These are coming out really nice now though. Alright, let's go, big dog.
How many am I going?
Two barbecue, two hot.
Contemplating life over here on my fucking hill. I've been waiting for this day.
I mean, it's just,
Beautiful.
we know we're going to go down. It's not, it's this bit. Huh?
Yeah. That was the rumor. The beer on the floor.
And what? And what?
Danny, at least we can say Ferguson did more covers tonight than 10.
Oh yeah, easy. We'll roll in there. Two hot, two barbecue, guys.
I need to bring like an ergonomic in my hands. Yeah, you should have a watch for this. Imagine me glazing.
Don't encourage it, mate.
Next year we're doing a watch price.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. It also looks like Jeremy Allen White.
Oh, perfect.
Bit chubbier.
You're like 2-2, is that right? 66 gents.
You want me to get Duncan and Steve to move style
For this,
for the barbecue?
two hot, please, boss. And then 6 of each, yeah? Yeah, I think we should, probably. We've got some marinating, right? Problem is, they're all over here.
And then 6 on the same plate or different plate?
I think the fry technique works, to be honest.
Yeah, but
six barbecue.
2 hot, check. Give me 30 seconds, I need to crunch some more wings.
They're looking fucking swan there now.
you?
Gorgeous.
6 and 8 barbecue. Danny, have you got more down, yeah? Dan, you got a tray there behind you.
Right, 14 bucks. Wait.
Wait a minute. Yeah. Well, just 1 second. Getting fucking slammed on barbecue.
Slammed on barbecue.
That's 6.
6?
Yeah. 4 more coming. Big man, I need another 4, then another 4, then another 3.
Drinking my one. We'll do another trade in a minute. Right, coming down. Two, 4, 6, 7, 10. It was just sauce, or we did Szechuan on there as well. We did salt as well.
Session.
Just Seshi. Hand these over to you, Chief.
Okay, yep.
Take those. It's not hot. Danny, how long are these wings?
Minute and a half.
Yeah? You're not going to stitch me up, are you?
4, 5.
Let's get these out. One more. Got just a nugget for you, chef. Yeah.
30 seconds, set.
Please get these in here quick. Alright.
That'll be all work.
Right, Danny, load this up. Yes, chef. Wait.
Let me set this one table.
3 and 3, yeah? Three already? 3 ready? Yeah. Sauce them up. Danny, fill that one up, yeah?
Yeah.
As soon as the basket's empty. Yeah.
Hey, give me these. I'll do these.
Move that. It's a bit hot, man. Fill both up, yeah. And then we need to top both of these trays up. 2, yeah?
Give me 40 seconds on one more, please. That's ridiculous thing.
40 seconds.
40 seconds on one wing.
same amount of volume.
Hot bowl.
Yeah, so 1 more hot and 3 barbecue. And then 5 barbecue behind.
I like it. Where's that one gone? Right, that'll be a cold beer. Absolutely. That'll be a barbecue, chef. It's alright, tomorrow will be like second level.
I got such a fucking big queue now, guys. Seriously.
Chef, you said you don't mind people queuing.
Oh, look at the fucking state of that.
Got 2 hot, 2 barbecue.